Hello, everybody. Welcome to Module 7 of EDU 570. Maybe you're home today. It's pretty icy here in my part of Iowa anyway. Maybe you're home today because you had President's Day off, or maybe because of the weather. So let's check out the class today. Looking at Module 7, Communicating as a Digital Citizen. Through participation in the module, you will develop a plan for communicating with parents and stakeholders regarding your tech usage, describe strategies for addressing technology safety, and discuss copyright and fair use. Required reading for this week. We have some videos here on internet safety, copyright, communicating with parents, some website information about copyright and web use, family toolkits, and also some library articles that you can use. The discussion. This module examines some of the issues of responsibility and digital citizenship. So read through this to describe for your initial post, and also make sure you have your response posts. A reminder that all initial posts should be done by Wednesday at midnight, and responses by Sunday at midnight. Tech in action. Okay, the readings for this module explored strategies for communicating with parents and stakeholders. Check out a final resource. It's a well-funded project for teachers to become certified digital citizens. Check out the site and consider your role. So check it out here. Training is free. And through this course, there's a learning progression as you move forwards before submitting your final project, okay? You explored a lot of different things, so continue working on your final project, which is due next week. This is the key for this one. You do not need to submit anything for this tech in action. However, I strongly encourage you to explore becoming a certified educator, okay? So for 7.2, you do not need to submit anything. 7.1 is your typical discussion board, and the idea is to keep working on your final project. I gave you feedback on the draft action plan, so add 2 more action plans, and your final project is ready to go. Assignment guidelines and rubrics are there as usual, and so is the questions, anyone. All right, Module 7, there it is, and I look forward to seeing your discussions again this week, and keep working on those final projects. Have a great week, everybody.